Hey beauties, it's Daisy. If it's your first time here, I have this beautiful bob lace front wig. It's super easy to install. I'm going to show you how I got this look and just keep on watching. Today's wig is from Premium Lace Wigs. They sent me some goodies along with the wig. It's like a little beauty package. It has some hair clips, everything you need for your wig install. A comb, wig cap, the whole shebang. Here is the wig close up. You can see the hair is very shiny and it's really soft when you touch it. It has 13x6 parting space and this lace is bomb. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how I install this wig. First, I'm just showing a close-up of the hairline. I plucked it and I bleached the knots off camera. That is the best way for me to do it. It makes the wig look way more natural. And right now I'm just spraying some hair argan oil from OGX and I'm just placing it all over the wig. That is just gonna give it a little bit of shine and heat protection. So we are gonna use that and I'm just gonna straighten this wig first before I install it. It's not gonna be completely straight, but I want it to be way more straight because it just has like a little bit of bump on the end from when I washed it or whatever. So if you have it more straight in the beginning before you install it, it would make it easier, especially at the end, so you don't have to do a lot of work. Now I'm just cutting off the lace. I'm just doing zigzag motions and the hairline is a little bit shiny because I did put some hair wax. I'm going to show you that towards the end of the video, but I just put a little bit of hair wax and straightened it so none of the baby hairs will just be flying around. And then I'm going to use my Gots to Be glue to install it and go in with my blow dryer on a cool settings to just lay that wig and make sure the wig does not come out of place. So you may notice I put a little bit of extra glue closer to the front and you don't have to worry about that. You can just wipe off the glue, which you're gonna see me doing in just a moment. You just wanna make sure the glue is all the way towards the front. So every little piece is actually sticking down to your hairline. And then I go in with my rat tail comb and just press that lace forward to get it dry and staying in place. And once everything is in place, I like to take my scarf and let it sit for a good 30 minutes to an hour, and that's going to help to melt the lace. Now we're getting into this hairline. I'm just sectioning off a thin layer for these baby hairs and cutting those baby hairs. I'm making them a little bit more shorter today because I don't want the baby hairs to look crazy. I just want a more of a natural look, and I am using my hair mousse. It's like curling mousse. I have that for my curly wigs. I just use this to get the baby hairs in the order that I want, or really just lay them exactly where I want them. And I also use my brush to brush back the front part of the hairline that's not in the baby hairs, so you can see a clear distinction between the hairline and the baby hairs. So you just want everything to kind of flow together and look as natural as possible. And you can see this mousse actually helps to get rid of that white contrast, so you don't see anything here. It's laid, and now we are just going to work on this parting space. I'm going to get that part right, and then I'm going to use my wax butter to actually help lay that more flat, and go in with my brush to make sure that that wax butter is evenly distributed, and then follow up with my hot comb. That is just going to help to make everything just lay flat. Like, I love a good hot comb. Hot comb is a must with a wig. I remember looking back at my old videos and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so humpy. And like the hair is sticking up towards the front. You don't want that. So get you a hot comb. I found this off Amazon. It's not more than like $30. So it's $30 well spent. Once the hair is in place, I'm just going to use that Got2b spray to make sure there's no flyaways and to make sure there's no humps around that parting space. I did use bigger braids this time under my wig, so that's why I have to make sure it's flat, okay? And then I'm going in with my foundation color and just filling in those little spots where I can see the lace so that it matches my skin tone and of course that parting space. So you guys know I love a great lace front wig, and this did not disappoint. Look at this frontal. Yes, the hairline is bomb. The lace is very transparent. It looks just like some scalp. It was really easy to install. This wig came pre-plucked, but of course, you know, I had to pluck it a little bit more. I didn't have to spend a lot of time. So that's a good thing about pre-plucked wig. It really saves you like half the time. So if you don't know how to pluck a wig, you can just pop it on. And if you want to make it a little bit more, you know, natural and look like your actual hairline, you can pluck it and it would actually save you a lot of time. So as far as shedding or tangling, nothing's coming out. You see, it's flowy. Let me show you guys the back. So this wig is super cute, super affordable. You can't go wrong. I would highly recommend it. Shipping doesn't take long at all. You'll get this wig within a week. So if you need it by the end of the week, just get it early Sunday, Monday, and you'll have it by the end of the week so you can go out and slay, okay? So I want to thank Premium Lace Wigs for sending me this hair and you guys for watching. And make sure you check out my other video. And until my next upload, peace.